Welcome to my channel. Orbi 970 series setup tutorial super fast mesh Wi-Fi 7 network. 1. Unbox the system. Take out the router and satellites, along with power adapters and Ethernet cable. 2. Connect to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the Orbi router to your modem. 3. Power on devices. Plug in the router first, then satellites. Wait until LED lights stabilize. 4. Download Orbi app. Install the NETGEAR Orbi app from Play Store or App Store. 5. Create login account. Open the app and sign in or create a new NETGEAR account. 6. Start setup process. Tap Setup new system and follow on-screen instructions. 7. Scan QR code. Scan the QR code on the router for quick configuration. 8. Place satellites properly. Keep satellites midway between router and weak signal areas. 9. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Customize your network name, SSID, and password. 10. Test internet connection. Connect your device and check speed and coverage across your home. Thanks for watching.